Most of us are aware of and have used caching within applications. However, when we introduce caching into microservices, some of those original assumptions and axioms about caching sometimes are invalidated. My name is MarkRichards, and in this session, we'll take a look at caching within microservices. We'll start by looking at various caching topologies, which ones are suited for microservices and which ones are not suited. Then we'll take a look at some selection criteria to figure out when should you use caching within microservices and when, which kind of topology, either distributed or replicated caching. Well, then we'll take a look in this session at a very unique architecture style combining space-based architecture with microservices to be able to answer some key questions. Number one, how can I have thousands of microservices, hundreds to thousands of them, and share the same database? Number two, what's the most effective way of doing cloud-based data synchronization, where we have microservices in the cloud, but our data needs to remain on-prem? If we are sharing data within microservices, how do we deal with change control and versioning of that database? And finally, how can we increase the performance of microservices? Come to this session and get the answer to all four of these questions, which relate to how to not use, but rather leverage caching in a microservices ecosystem.